paano sila invite sa ads on Reels. Okay, number 1, kung monetize ka na guys sa in-stream ads, automatically mai-invite ka na. Number 2, yung mga na-follow ko, they have a minimum at least 5 to 10 Reels on their account and nakaset lahat yun sa public, walang mga watermarks na galing sa competitors like TikTok or Shorts or CapCut, and maganda yung quality nila. And then number 3, walang mga copyright violation. Most of the audio that they are using are theirs and it's original. Hindi sila gumamit ng mga background sound. Talagang makikita nyo naman yun doon sa babae. Nakalagay doon, original audio. Or if gagamit kayo, merong library si Facebook, doon kayo kumuha. Number 4, dapat meron siyang at least 500 to 1,000 views per reel. And then the last one is medyo unconventional. They shared na nag-message daw sila kay Facebook or kay Meta to have them invited to the ads on Reels.